Oh, hi. Today we're making coconut macaroons. For that, we will need coconut, sugar, and white eggs.
Egg whites.
Egg whites.
And a pinch of salt. Thank you,
and
Isa.
A bowl.
And a bowl. Good job. Yes, Izan.
What?
Let's start the sirai blah baba.
First, start with eggs. Separate egg yolks from egg whites.
Good job. Then what we will do?
Mix.
We will mix, yeah. Till when?
Till
it becomes
soft.
Frothy.
Frothy.
Yeah.
We'll start.
Five seconds. Aizone ke mix it chakru.
Okay. Can I add stuff?
Manu.
Sugar.
Mix it, Isa. Pinch of salt. Then Izan.
Add some coconut
Flakes, yeah.
Flakes.
Add them. Good job. Let me give you some more.
Getting. And some more coconut flakes.
Good job, Izan. Thank you. Kod sumit siya tibisan siya Isa. Bas ready na?
No.
Muto mimo.
I think
Plate tayari chan. Back at the second, right?
Wait, you. Okay. Now you take
parchment paper
and apply oil with a brush.
Good job.
Oh, God. You can either use a ice cream scoop or 2 spoons.
2
spoons. And this is how we make it. Ready? We put them in the oven for 377 Fahrenheit.
375 Fahrenheit?
Yeah.
And for how many minutes?
25.
20 to 25 minutes,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's hot.
Okay. We will give it 5 more minutes, right? Goldenish, goldenish. Listen, John, smell blah?
Coconut and smoke.
Coconut and sugar smell.
It's coconut and smoke. At least steam, not smoke.